we're going to kick off into our Whissel widget of the week. This is something that we use in our business, saves us time, makes us money, or just helps us have more fun. Justin, would you like to go first, or would you like me to?
I touched upon it when we were talking, but I really love Follow Up Boss. I mean, the ability to record these phone calls, so I'm not having to jot down a tremendous amount of notes during these calls, but just go back and listen to them. Even with the leads too, just makes my job that much easier. And then the staging as well, so I know exactly who to call and based off of where they're at.
Yeah, we're huge fans of Follow Up Boss here. As a CRM, if you're unfamiliar, it's a CRM. We use YLOPO as our website, Follow Up Boss as our CRM, and its technology, its ability to connect with other systems is better than anything else that I've seen, which is why we're really, really big fans of it. My widget of the week is something we're using today in our podcast studio. If you're watching on YouTube or on Facebook or wherever you're seeing this, you see our brand new custom desk that we had built for our podcast. Down below, we have a TV. And what's really cool about this is we are able to cast what Tom is using to produce the podcast right now. He's filming it going into the computer. He's able to cast whatever he has on that screen on this desk. And so we can have different things going up. We can have presentations going up. We can do a bunch with this desk just by using a Chromecast. And so Chromecast, I think, is like $30, $40. It's pretty cheap. And what it'll allow you to do is you just plug it into a computer with HDMI and USB to give it some power. If your TV doesn't have USB, you can just run a USB cable to a power outlet, right? With a plug. And you're able to cast from your computer. You can cast the screen. You can cast a tab. I believe you can cast from your phone as well. And just a really good, easy, quick, cheap way to get what you're showing on your computer up to a TV screen. So Chromecast is my widget of the week. Thank you so much for tuning in, everyone. TheWhisselWay.com is where you can get more information about all of our stuff. And we'll see you next week. Thanks, guys.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.